The DJI Avata 360 is one of the most exciting drones DJI has revealed in a long time. An 8K 360-degree camera, FPV flying, obstacle avoidance, and a price that could shake up the entire drone market. On paper, it sounds like the perfect drone for creators. But here's something most people aren't saying clearly enough. The DJI Avata 360 might actually not be the right drone for you. So before you get too excited and rush to buy it when it launches, let's talk about why this drone might not be the best choice for everyone. One of the biggest reasons is the weight. The Avata 360 is not a sub-250-gram drone, and that detail matters more than many people realize. In a lot of countries, including the United States, the UK, and much of Europe, drones under 250 grams fall into a much easier regulatory category. They usually require less registration, fewer restrictions, and sometimes you can fly them in more places without needing special permission. But once a drone crosses that 250-gram line, things change. The Avata 360 is expected to weigh close to 400 grams, which means it will fall into a stricter category. That can mean registration requirements, more rules around where you can fly, and more limitations overall. For many casual pilots who prefer lightweight drones specifically to avoid those complications, this could be a major downside. That's why drones like the DJI Neo 2 or the DJI Mini 4K remain so popular. They stay under that 250-gram threshold and are simply easier to fly legally in many regions. Another reason the Avata 360 might not be for everyone is the ecosystem cost. The leaked price for the drone-only version is around €459, which actually sounds very competitive. But the drone alone isn't always enough. Many users will want the full FPV experience, which means additional gear like goggles, controllers, and extra batteries. The drone is designed to work with devices like the DJI Goggles 3, DJI Goggles N3, and the DJI RC2 controller. If you already own these accessories, that's great, because you can simply buy the drone and start flying. But if you're completely new to the DJI ecosystem, the total cost can rise quickly once you add all the necessary gear. There's also the learning curve to consider. FPV drones are incredibly fun and immersive, but they're not always beginner-friendly. Flying FPV is very different from flying a traditional camera drone. It can take time to get comfortable with the controls and movement. For beginners who just want something simple for travel videos or casual aerial shots, this type of drone might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Another important factor is availability, especially for viewers in the United States. DJI has been dealing with regulatory challenges related to the FCC. The Avata 360 did receive authorization before certain restrictions came into effect, which means it should still be able to enter the US market. However, there may still be delays before it becomes widely available through official retail channels. Some people may try to import the drone from third-party sellers or gray market stores if it takes longer to reach official retailers, but that approach can come with risks. There's also an important detail regarding DJI Care Refresh, DJI's protection plan. Because of the current regulatory situation, this coverage may not be available for US buyers. That means if the drone crashes or gets damaged, you may not have DJI's usual replacement support. Now, one area where the Avata 360 does bring something new is the camera design. 360-degree cameras are known for having exposed lenses that are easy to scratch. DJI seems to have addressed this by making the lenses replaceable. Replacement lenses are expected to cost around €21 each, which is much cheaper than replacing the entire camera system. The camera also rotates during takeoff and landing to help protect the glass from debris on the ground. When it comes to competition, the main rival right now is the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1. That drone launched at around $1,599 and has been the only true 360-degree FPV drone on the market. Based on current leaks, the Avata 360 could start at roughly $500, which is a huge difference in price. That aggressive pricing strategy is something DJI has used before. They often enter a new category with a lower price and a strong ecosystem to quickly dominate the market. And with features like 8K panoramic video, dual sensors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, LiDAR for better hovering, and compatibility with DJI's latest transmission technology, the Avata 360 could become a very powerful tool for content creators. But again, the key point here is that the best drone depends on your situation. If you live somewhere with strict weight rules and prefer a sub-250-gram drones, this might not be the right choice. If you're a complete beginner with no DJI gear, the overall cost could be higher than expected. And if you're in the US and want immediate availability with full protection coverage, you might need to wait a bit longer. The Avata 360 looks like an exciting step forward for 360-degree aerial content, and it could easily become one of the most interesting drones released this year. But like any piece of technology, it isn't perfect for everyone. So the real question is this: when the Avata 360 finally launches globally, will you buy it, wait for reviews, or skip it altogether? Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you enjoyed this video and want more tech updates like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.